So welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you 5 best social media platforms you could use to go into promoting your CPA marketing offers, and I'm going to also give you an overview of how you could promote your CPA marketing offers to go into getting profitable leads from such platforms right now and start making money online with CPA marketing. If you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online with the use of CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the use of other AI tools out there. If you do like such videos, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right now. You could also make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I do release some cool videos that could help you in boosting your income online. With that being said, and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video. And guys, cutting right ahead to the chase, we're going to be heading on to the first platform out there, and that platform, guys, is none other than this platform called Pinterest.com. This is absolutely an amazing search engine you can actually go on to utilizing right now to get a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. If you do go on to analyzing Pinterest using the similar web statistics, you will actually find that Pinterest gets about 1.2 billion visits in just the last 28 days. That's actually a huge amount of traffic with the website actually get, and you can actually scroll down to the bottom section. You can see that most of the traffic comes from the United States. About 37.7% come from the United States, 8.52% come from Brazil, 5.25% come from Russia, 5.04% come from India, and 2.27% come from Poland, and the remaining 41.21% comes from other countries around the world. And you can see right now that most of the traffic comes from the United States, meaning that it will be much more advisable for you to go on to promoting offers from the United States demographic right now. So basically, guys, that's what you need to actually go on to doing on that particular platform called Pinterest, as Pinterest can be considered as a very cool social media platform to drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers. All you need to do is to come right here, click on home feed after signing up to an account. You want to click on create pin, and you could just simply drag or drop in eye-catchy image right now that is actually going to grab the attention of your audience right there. As you can see, guys, this is an example of a Pinterest pin right now, a Pinterest post. This is also an example of one right now, and all you need to do right now, you can actually use an image or a video right there. So you want to just simply using something quite attractive to your audience right now, and if you do select one right there, as you can see, I actually did insert a scan code right now directing people to scan this code for a free giveaway, and that code right there is a code to my CPA marketing offer. I actually converted the link to the CPA offer to a QR code and inserted on the video right now, and all you need to do right now is to just simply add a very cool title, a description right now, and you can also go on to add in the link to your CPA marketing offer in this section. You could create a board right now. Maybe if it's for giveaway board, you can create that. You can add in some cool tags that could actually help you go on to reaching out to a much more amount of audience right there, that can actually help your pin on Pinterest actually more discoverable by other individuals right now. So you could just simply do this right there before publishing this on this platform, and you could get to a lot more amount of audience. So this is the first platform right now. Moving on to the second platform, and that platform is known as Facebook.com. This is an amazing platform you can also leverage to go on to gaining access to a lot of traffic right now. And if you do analyze Pinterest or Facebook based on similar web statistics, you will see that Facebook is actually the number 3 global ranking website, number 3 country ranking website, and number 1 in its category right now. You could also see, guys, that Facebook gets about 16.6 billion visits in the last 28 days right now. That's actually a very huge amount of traffic it gets when compared to Pinterest. Pinterest just gets 1.2 billion visits, whereas Facebook gets 16.6 billion visits right there. So this is a huge traffic source that you can utilize to gain traffic to your CPA offers. If you do check out the countries that actually visit the website the most, you can see that most of its traffic comes from the United States also. So it's quite advisable to promote United States offers to such platforms right there, as your chances of getting targeted leads to your offers is actually quite high. So you can actually head on to Facebook right there. Maybe if you're promoting an offer such as a giveaway offer, come onto the group section and you want to just simply search for giveaway. Maybe if I do come right here and search for giveaway right now, you'll be able to see a lot of giveaway groups right now that you can just simply go on to join in and promote your offer for free. You want to focus on groups having this 10 plus posts per day or from 5 plus posts per day and above, because those groups are actually the much more active and engaging groups. All you need to do is to just simply open the group. Even without joining the group, I can actually go on to making a post. All you need to do is to ask them if they are actually in need of a free giveaway. If you do write a post such as that in this section, a lot of people will go on to commenting right there, and all you need to do is to just simply make the link to your CPA marketing offer available to them and tell them that they stand a chance of earning that particular gift card or giveaway right now. You can actually go on to checking out other ways which people are actually promoting their offers on such groups and making money right now. You could just simply use similar strategy right there. Focus on as many groups as you can and get a lot of traffic to your offers right now. So that's it for the second platform right now. If we do move on to the third platform, and that platform is known as Twitter.com right now. So Twitter is also an amazing platform right that you could go on to leveraging right now. So all you need to do is to come onto this Twitter platform, otherwise known as X. Maybe I'm promoting a gift card offer or a giveaway offer. You want to come onto the explore section. All I need to do is to search for something like gift card. If I do search for gift card, I will be able to see a lot of gift card related posts that people are actually posting right now, and you can just simply go into the comment section to promote your own gift card right now or a giveaway offer. Now if you want to just simply target something else right now, maybe I want to just simply promote a giveaway offer or a gift card offer, I can also target people that are actually in need of money. So if you do search for I need money, you'll be able to see a lot of people in need of money. You want to go on to the latest, and you can actually see people talking about needing money lately. So you can see that this person right here says, I don't know, first time. You can see this person says, I need a fair bit of money right now. As you can see, a lot of people right here are actually in need of money right here. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see a lot of people posting about needing money right now. All you need to do is to go into the comment section right here. You can see this person says, I need money so much to fix my face. I wear mascara all the time and I feel depressed because of it. All you need to do is to go into the comment section, and you just want to drop a comment right there telling them that they can stand the chance to earn that particular gift card or giveaway right now and make money so as to fix their problems. So you can actually go on to utilizing this platform right here and go on to as many people post that are actually in need of money to promote your CPA marketing offers, and this strategy is actually a valid one that could go on to working. So the fourth platform right now is otherwise known as Instagram.com. This is an amazing platform that you can actually go on to leveraging, just like how this platform actually does. They went on to creating an account right now that is tailored to the niche which you are focusing on. You want to pick a niche. If it's the make money online niche, select the niche, give your account a name and a profile image that actually resonates with that particular niche. You want to go on to setting your bio to look quite appropriate, and also go on to telling them that you're having a giveaway offer in the link below, just like how this person actually does. You can see right here, this person is actually promoting free signals in the link below, and you want to also make sure that your link below is the link to your CPA marketing offer right now. And guys, you then want to just simply make sure you actually start getting a lot of engagement to your Instagram team page by making sure that you actually post regularly each and every single day. You need to post about 3 to 4 times each and every single day to actually go into getting a lot of traffic right there. You need to also stay consistent with your posting schedule, and you also need to go on to following other people that have made it in that particular niche which you are focusing on and be engaged in their post right there, and that will actually guarantee you to start getting a lot of engagement to your team pages right now and start making money with CPA marketing right now. So you can actually see right here that most of the posts which this person actually goes on to posting, or most of the reels, are not actually their own created video. They just went on to getting other people's content and repurposing it by posting on their platform, and they are actually getting a lot of engagement. You can see right here, this post actually has about 21,000 views. This has 28,000, this is 19,000, this is 32,000, this one 53,000, 13,000, and the list keep going on and on. So you can do the same strategy, get other people's posts from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and other social media platforms, repurpose that on your content on your Instagram team page and start getting a lot of traffic. And make sure you're actually using content that are actually proven to be viral or to go viral out there right now. So moving on to the fifth platform right now and final platform, that platform is known as TikTok right here. So you could just simply head on to TikTok. Maybe you could actually go into searching for a very cool keyword right now, maybe make money online. You could create an account of making money online right now and start creating cool and amazing video content to promote your offers. Or you could actually do just simply create an account and focus on other people's content about making money online. As you can see right now, you can actually do go into maybe clicking on this particular video. If you do click on the video, you can actually do see the comment section right now, and you can see a lot of people are actually in the comment section. All you need to do is go on to replying to people's posts that are actually in need of money right here, like how we did on Twitter right now, and go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer right there. You just need to go on to doing this right now for as many people right here on this post, and you could just simply focus on as many videos as you can to promote your offers and make money online. So these are actually cool ways to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers online and with social media platforms. And these are actually the 5 best social media platforms you could go on to utilizing to make money online with CPA marketing. And guys, I'm just going to give you a recap of the platforms again. The first is actually Pinterest, second Facebook right here, third Twitter, fourth Instagram, and the fifth TikTok right now. So if the video did add some value, why not just simply hit the like button to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and your notification bell is always turned on all. That's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.